laser hair removal. Why laser hair removal? What does it do? How long does it last? And which types of laser is good for hair removal? Now, in the old days, people used to shave. Even now, they do waxing. You do, you apply those creams to make the hair fall out. But if you want to have almost permanent, or what we say long-term reduction of hair, the best way to do it is by laser. There are a few types of laser available that you can use, that we can use for hair removal. Well, it's called a diode laser. One is a diode laser. Two is a long pulse ND-YAG laser. The best is actually long pulse ND-YAG. Why? Because it has a long pulse. It goes to the chromophore or the follicle of the hair, and it is very ideal for all skin types. Now the problem with laser is it needs to differentiate the color. But if you use a long pulse, and some of the better long pulse, like for example the Fotona ND-YAG laser, it actually can be used for all skin type, even black and dark brown skin color, which makes it safe with lesser risk of burns. Now the best type of hair to have laser hair removal is the darkest hair or black hair against the lighter skin or fair skin. Okay, this differentiates the two color tones and make the laser light be able to detect the follicle or the hair as easily, and the results will be much better. How many sessions does a person need? Usually, because hair occurs in 3 cycles, we need to catch it at the right phase, which is called the Enhanze phase. And at this phase, if it catches it, you get about 20-30% of hair reduction happen. Wait for another 2 or 3 weeks, the hair regrows, and when it is at its stubble stage, where there's just a small amount of hair that's coming out, a laser treatment is then done, and then you can get another 20% reduction. Now with our Fotona laser, the long pulse laser, I can get almost 80% reduction in just 3 sittings. And of course this depends on the area on the body that's being treated, as well as how hairy a person is. Which area can I treat? We can treat anywhere, including the axilla or the underarms, chest hair, tummy hair, back hair, thigh, legs, on the feet, pubic area, the what they call the Brazilian style, or even the bikini line. Facial hair, many men now don't like to have to shave every day, so we can do the beard area, the neck area. Even for women with mustache, we can get rid of the hair over the lips and the overall face. Okay, right, now let's have a look at how we're going to conduct a laser hair removal, and I'm going to show you the magnificent Starwalker. The Starwalker is a hybrid laser which combines 3 different types of wavelengths, and one particularly which is good for hair removal is the ND-YAG long pulse laser. So this is the Starwalker, and we're going to do our friend here, Beatrice, her underarms, her axilla. Okay, so let's start. The Starwalker is wonderful. Everything is preset already. It's got all the setting, and the good thing is for this particular setting, they have already created the ideal settings for Asian skin type, because as you know, Asian skin color is slightly darker than the fair skin color with dark hair. So the settings has to be slightly different than for Caucasian. So here we do for Asian, they've preset everything. And because we're going to do the underarm area, underarm is considered coarse hair. And you can see here there's one for dark skin, but she's not dark skin, she's brown, light brown. We're going to do coarse hair. So I have already selected the right setting. This machine has already preset, especially specifically for Asian skin. Now if you buy this machine, or if you go overseas to the West, of course they do not have a setting for Asian. Okay, so this is already preset, everything is already set. I make sure my handpiece is the correct one. It's at 4.0 wavelength. Okay, we're going to do her armpits, her axilla. This is the perfect timing to do laser hair removal. She shaved, I think yesterday, right? You shaved. So usually it takes about a day or 2 days for the hair to grow back, and you can see there are small stubbles there. This is called 1 millimeter stubbles. Her skin is quite fair, nice black hair, not colored hair, and the stubbles are just nice. So it's perfect timing. She'll get very good results. So first is we turn your head to the right. I'm going to start doing that. We do a test shot, and then I start. It can be a bit stinging. You see, what normally happens is you can hear the hair stubbles burning, yeah? And there is a smell of burnt hair. So you shaved yourself yesterday, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and the hair is already quite long. Is that usually how fast your hair will grow back?
Yes, that's my hair growth phase.
Is this your first time doing laser hair removal?
Yes, this is my first time on my underarm.
Okay. How do you feel? How do you feel? What does it feel like?
It's okay. It feels like you use the rubber band and just make it on the area.
Okay. We didn't do any numbing for the skin. Some
No.
people say it's a bit painful. Is that okay for you?
It's fine for me. It's quite comfortable.
Can you smell like a burn smell now?
Yes, I can smell the
Do you
burnt
know what
hair.
that is? That is actually your burnt hair, yes. Okay. And that's a good sign because it means it's catching your hair at a good time. So after this you're gonna get like it's gonna regrow back. The one that's been lasered is gonna fall off, and then the new hair comes out in about 2 or 3 weeks time. It'll be finer than the present one. And then you shave, and a day before you come back and then we'll do a second round. And with your type of hair, usually about 3 times is enough to reduce it by 80%. Okay? So we're gonna put some cooling gel, and when you go home, the baby red, the area, you apply a moisturizer. You can just use a baby lotion, use a baby lotion or baby cream, and then just keep applying that so that the skin doesn't get too raw. Okay?
Can I use a normal deodorant?
If your deodorant is not too chemical based, you can, but it's better for today you use just the moisturizer. Tomorrow you can start your deodorant.